Hello, and thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps of saving your PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation in a couple of different formats. So first, starting from Google Slides, I'll show you how to download your presentation either as a PDF or as a series of JPEG images. So what we'll do is find File here in the top left corner, click on it, hover over Download, and we can choose either PDF or JPEG image. Notice that if we choose JPEG, it will only download the current slide that we're on right now. So unfortunately, you'll have to do it one slide at a time if you do choose this option. However, if you choose PDF document, all of your slides will be together as one and you won't have to do each slide individually. So I will go ahead and select PDF, and that downloads the presentation to my computer so that I can access it later. Moving on to PowerPoint, it's a pretty similar idea. You'll go to File in the top left corner and click on Export. And when you click Export, this little menu pops up, which allows us to change the name of our presentation if we would like to. It also allows us to select where on our computer we would like to save our presentation. So I'll just keep mine on my desktop so that I know exactly where it's going to. And then our last menu is for file format, which is what we're interested in today. So it automatically chose PDF for me. And if that's what I want, I will leave it selected and click export. But just so I can show you what the JPEG options look like, I will select that. And notice that I have the option to either save every slide or save the current slide only. And that's a really helpful feature of PowerPoint so that we don't have to do every single slide individually like we do in Google Slides. So I will choose to save every slide and click export. And now it's letting me know that each slide in my presentation has been saved as a separate JPEG photo file or image file in this folder on my desktop, which is exactly what we wanted. So the next thing I'll walk you through is saving your Google Slides in PowerPoint format or saving your PowerPoint as a Google Slides presentation. Switching between these formats can be helpful if you need to share or collaborate on a presentation in Google Drive, or if you want a Google Drive presentation saved to your actual computer so that you don't need internet access to be able to open and edit your presentation. So first, to save a Google Slides presentation as a PowerPoint, we'll go back to our Google Slides. We will click File just like before, Download, and then choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Once I click this, it will download to my computer as a PowerPoint file, and I can open it and edit it within the PowerPoint app on my computer. If I want my PowerPoint to be available in Google Slides format, what I'll do is switch on over to my Google Drive, click New over here in the top left corner, and then File Upload, and this will show up all of the files on my computer. So if you remember, I saved my presentation, my PowerPoint earlier to my desktop, so here it is. I'll click Open, which will start the upload to my drive. And we see that it popped up here at the bottom. So in order to open this as a Google Slides presentation, what we will do is right-click, select Open With, and then Google Slides. So as soon as it opens, you will be able to share and collaborate on this presentation, just like with a regular Google Slides presentation. And that is all I have for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope it was helpful. Come back for our future videos to learn even more.